everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you my Walgreens haul. Now, I have my car on with the air conditioning because it is so hot. It's only 80, but with humidity, it's really hot and sitting in a hot car. So I'm sorry if you guys hear some background noise. It's just so much easier for me to do the car. Okay, I'm just looking. I don't even know what to tell you guys. I should show you this. There's a guy that just pulled up to the store and he like pulled over the curb and he's pretty much like right in front of the door. I want to show you guys that, but there he's sitting in the car. Oh my gosh, like why would you do that? He like pretty much is right up on top of the curb. I don't know if I can show you guys. Here, I'll show you. I'll just do like a little selfie. Like, look at him. It's crazy. Why would you drive up on the curb like that? Right up in front. I don't know. So now I'm gonna share with you guys what I got. It actually turned out pretty good. Now if you guys go to household, and usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays is when they pop up, but they have some special ones, and I'm gonna share with you guys the Walgreens app very soon. It's just really slow. I hate it. It works fine when I want to scan an item, but when I'm trying to like clip coupons to my card, it freezes up. It's so stupid. But I am going to share with you guys that sometime in the future. But let me share with you what I got. So I did the Tresemme. We did get some insert coupons for it. So I ended up getting 4 of these. These were 2 for $8. The other person's looking at them funny. These were 2 for $8. I did use 2 4 off of 2 coupons that we got in our inserts today. You would pay $8 for 4 of them, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward. Now my $4 register reward did not print off. I found out if I go to this one register, the Catalina machine is broken. They said that they're trying to get it fixed, but they just give me points instead. So if your store always has a problem, you can always, you know, ask for points, or you can submit your receipt to the Fetch Rewards to the Catalina company. So if my $4 register reward would have printed, it would have came out to be just $4 or $8 a piece if you guys want to do Tresemme. Plus submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you guys, you get points. I ended up getting like 3,000 points for this transaction, but I also had some other things on it too. So definitely go ahead and do the Tresemme. I just dropped my glasses. I am just not prepared. Where'd they go? Underneath my seat. I'll grab them later. So I got 4 of the Tresemmes, and I think that's us. Oh, it's in that bag. Yeah. Okay, I'm bringing my bag on the ground because it's a lot heavier. So I did the Tide deal. Now some of you guys might have the Tide that we got in your P&G inserts. I know pretty much, what, 80% of us did not get those coupons. So, and I also did a digital deal for you guys with some other deals on there in case you want to check that out. But I got the Tide. Now these were $4.99. I had a $2 off digital coupon for the liquid, and then I also had a $2 off digital coupon for the pods, and then I bought another liquid to make it the 3. So you guys would pay $10.97 for all 3 of these, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward. My $5 register we did not print, so she just gave me points for it. So it comes out to be just $5.97 or $2.97. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys really are like Tide loyal, go for it. Plus, you guys can submit your receipt to the P&G. So this is 150 points right here for you guys. 150 points. Yes. Okay. I did cereal. I love cereal. We've been getting a lot of cereal lately, but mostly Kellogg's, and I always like General Mills better. So the Trick cereal, or the General Mills cereal, is on sale for $1.99. Now we do have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, or there is a 2 off of 4 digital coupon, okay? You guys would end up, I just used the $1 off of 2 because I have so much cereal, but you would pay $2.98. It comes out to be like $1.49 a piece if you guys need some. Plus, you guys can submit your receipt to the box tops to save some money for your school, and General Milk counts for Fetch Rewards. You guys will get points for Fetch Rewards, so go ahead and get some stuff. I just love tricks. I love tricks. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Olive soap. I feel like this is the only flavor that my store has had for the whole month. And yes, I say flavor instead of scent, but you know what? That's okay. That's okay. So this is $1.99. We do have a 50-cent off coupon that we got in today's inserts, so you guys can use that. You'd pay $1.49, or we also had, I think, 50-cent digital coupons, so you guys would get this for $1.49. So it just depends on what you guys want to do for that. And yes, I will be making a shirt, and then there's that, or something like that. Something with the word that. There's that. Yeah. I just gotta figure out what I want to do. But yes, okay. I did the Mitchum deodorant. These are on sale for $2.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon that we have in the Walgreens app. You guys would pay $4.98 for the both of these, but then you get 3,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. So I know a lot of you guys really like the Mitchum deodorant, so go ahead, stock up on that. If you don't do that $1 off coupon, they come out to be pretty much like $1.50 a piece. So it's still an okay deal if you need to do that. I needed some gum. I've been really craving Big Red lately. I can smell it right now. I'm probably gonna open a stick when I get done filming. But I ended up getting some gum. Now they have some gum that's 3 for $3, or they have gum that's 2 for $2. So I just got the 3 for $3. You know what I was looking for? Juicy fruit. Like, do they not have juicy fruit anymore? Does it still exist, or does it just not exist at Walgreens? Because I wanted to get juicy fruit, and they didn't have it, so I got Big Red and I got Double Mint. So for $1 a piece, it's an okay deal. Okay deal. Yep. Jennifer, we're going in your purse. Okay. And then this is the last deal that I got. Yeah, there's not a lot of stuff this week, which is totally okay. So I ended up getting the Poise, and then I also got the Depends, because I actually found some more coupons that I had in my inserts. And this coupon expires on Saturday. These deals do expire on Saturday, and then it's a whole new month for the Walgreens booklet. So these were $5.99. I had a $3 off coupon for this one, and I had a $3 off coupon for this one. You guys would end up paying, lost my spot. What am I thinking? You guys would pay. There's also a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. That's what I'm trying to say. So $3 and $2 off coupon, you guys will get these for 99 cents. Plus you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You guys will get points. I need $9 and something cents more to hit the $25 mark, and then I'll get like 3,000 points for that. So yes. So if you guys need to stock up on that stuff, I like donating that stuff. That's pretty much why I get that. So my total came to $16.17. Now I did do 2 transactions, and the reason was because we have those deals where if I had a 3 off of 15, I had a 5 off of 15, and I think there's like 2 or 3 other ones. But I wanted to get more bang for my buck, so that's why I did 2 separate transactions, and I did pay with points for both of them. But so my first transaction, the 3 off of 15 came off first, And then my second transaction, the 5 off of 15 came off. So my grand total came to $16.17. I ended up getting $3 back in points. That was for the Mitchum. I was supposed to get $9 back in a register reward, but she ended up giving me points, so we got that. And then with Fetch rewards for the whole both transactions, I ended up getting 3,271 points. So that was for the Tresemme, it was for the Poise, the Depends, it was also for the General Mills cereal. So yeah, so my grand total came to $1.17. 17 items for $1.17 at 7 cents a piece. I think that is an awesome deal. So it was actually a pretty easy, you know, haul today. It wasn't that bad, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all next week for some more savings. See you guys later. Bye-bye.